sky, hearts beating loud. Summer nights in Florida, it's a festive crowd. July 4th, the day we celebrate, with fireworks sparkling, we can't wait. Driving down the back roads, music on blast, windows down, yeah, we're living fast. Good friends beside me, sipping on sweet tea, Port Orange vibes where we all feel free. Neighborhoods light up, colors in the air, kids running wild, giggles everywhere. The smell of barbecue and burgers on the grill. Tonight we celebrate with a thrill. Fireworks in Port Orange, lighting up the night. Explosions of color, what a glorious sight. Stars and stripes forever, our spirits rise high. Wave your flags, let's reach for the sky. Fireworks in Port Orange, let the whole world see the love and the freedom for you and me. As the sun sets low, painting gold on the bay, gathered all together, we laugh and we play. The river reflecting what the heavens will show. Anticipation building, let the magic flow. Proud of our history, proud of our land. In this small town we take a stand. Neighbors embracing the bond that we share. On this Independence Day, love fills the air. Fireworks in Port Orange, lighting up the night. Explosions of color, what a glorious sight. Stars and stripes forever, our spirits rise high. Wave your flags, let's reach for the sky. Fireworks in Port Orange, let the whole world see the love and the freedom for you and me. Feel the rhythm in the ground as the countdown starts. Booms echo loud, lighting up our hearts. Each burst and bang, a story in the air. A celebration of life, a time that we share. The crowd cheers loudly as the colors explode. Pinwheels and rockets lighting up the road. In this groove of freedom, let's dance and sing in Port Orange tonight. Let the joy take wing. So here's to the moments, the laughter, the cheer. Port Orange fireworks, let's hold them dear. Celebrating our freedom under moonlit glow. With love in our hearts, let the fireworks show.